Hello everyone, in this video I will introduce Sap Fiori. In particular, I will explain the various selection of the home page, how to customize your home page, and how to search and save the various applications. Once logged in, the main screen will look like this. So in this here, you have all the application area where you work. And inside each application area, you will have the application, also called tile. The style depending on the role of the user. For example, if you work in purchasing, you will have all the application area relative to purchasing. On the top of the screen, you have this search bar. It's selected all by default, and here you can search all the objects in SAP. If you want to search, for example, a business partner, you can go here, select business partner, and here you can search a business partner by name, by city, or for each criteria that you want. And the system will show you all the business partner with your search term. Here, if you click here, you have other functionality of Sap Fiori. So if you press here, you will have the recent activities of your user. And here the frequency activity. So the frequency app or search that you do. I close it. Here you have the app finder. If you press, you can find by here, or you can scroll, or you can find in catalog. For example, if you want to find the app for display the purchase order, you can write here display purchase order and press enter. The system will show you the app. Here you can also insert if you want, if you know, also the SAP code. For example, I know that the code for display purchase order is ME23. Insert, press enter, the system will show me the app. So here I have the settings that are relative to my user. If you press here, in appearance you can customize your screen. So I have this theme selected. If I select, for example, this one and press on save, the theme will change. If you see here, appear the blue. I go back in my old theme comparison and save, and the system become white. In setting, I have also other functionality. For example, in the font value, I can select the default value that will appear in every app. For example, if I work every time for each for the same company code, I can set as default the code of the company code. Another functionality is to edit the home page. So I go back, I press here, and I have this one, edit home page. Here I edit the application area and the app tile that will appear. I can also add a tile in an application area, or I can customize my application area. If I press, for example, here in my home and I press here, I can add in favorites a lot of app. For example, insert purchase order. I have, for example, this three app. If you press here, add to group my home, all the three app. This three app will appear in my home. So if I go in my home page by this button, I have the app in my home page and I press close. So I have at the beginning these three apps. You can also, if you want, change also the name or create new group. For example, I want to create new group, material master, for example. I can enter here the name, material master, and I press here and I search material master. Material master. example appear this app, I can add this app for to my group. Instead, I can insert the code, also the beginning of the code. For example, I know that the app for create material master is mm01, so I can insert also only mm, and will appear three apps that are create material, change material, and display material. So I can select here, and I go in my own, I press on close. So I have at the beginning my menu of the purchase order, and here I have my menu of the material master. Thank you for your attention, and for every question, comment in the video. Thank you.